Did you know that Excel can do quick compare without formula automatically? Stop comparing lists manually one by one. That takes time. Just do this. First, select both lists you want to compare. Then press Ctrl/, and instantly Excel highlights every value from list 1 that doesn't match in list 2. Quick visual and no formulas needed. That's it. Did you know that Excel's TEXTSPLIT function works across rows as well as columns? In this case, we have our data written in a single cell, and we want to bring it into multiple cells of columns and rows.
Let me show you how to have it like this.
Let's start with TEXTSPLIT. Our text is this. Now we can make use of the column delimiter and the row delimiter. Our column separator will be equal sign. Let's put that for our column delimiter. Next is the row delimiter. That will be the comma. Type comma. Then close the bracket, press enter, and I get everything spilted properly. That's it.